Hi there. So we're going to see how we can get this setup ready for use as a debris or a rock source. This is exactly the setup we had in this video here, so we can just pick up from there. And to get this to be a debris source, we need to move all the pieces to the center. So the way to do this is in the loop, we put a transform node and use a minus of this pivot point or the center point of this. So automatically you'll be whatever position the object is minus it, so it means go to 0. So we do this with the $ minus $ CE and X and CEY and CE Z, and that you move everything to the center. So now if you're going to use this, they'll not be floating randomly in space, but you can pick up exactly from the center of the scene. And you probably want an option to pick one at a time. You don't want probably this blob of piece. So you see, since we have deleted the outside pieces, we need to reorganize the name. So we just drop again one assemble node, and it will do the job for us. And we can go and go check again. You're going to see it's now organized pieces 0 to the model piece we have. So if you drop there a delete node, and now you can select one of those group. It's not showing here, but and you say no, delete non-select, and now you can just change those numbers, and automatically you're gonna isolate each one of the video piece. So if you want to create a slider or something that you can put on just a number, could be a seed for a cup cup stamp. So let's create here a parameter. It's going to be an integer, and this is going to be the value you're going to use on a little expression there for on the delete node. So we can copy our parameter here, and in the delete we're going to replace on the string. That's why you're going to put the tick mark there, and that should be concatenate as part of the string. So if you go back there to the slide and move it, voila, you have this working. So that's the idea. You can use this as a seed on a stamp, a cup stamp, and you can populate a ground with rocks. Probably we want more detail on that, but the concept is there. So thanks for watching.